Alright everybody, in this video we are going to freeze dry some yellow squash. And instead of me having you watch me cut it, process it, whatever, what had happened was we have a garden. So obviously with anybody that's got a garden, you get your produce at different times, different levels, different maturity on each thing, you know. So getting it all at the same time is kind of hard unless you want to freeze dry, you know, a half a tray of peppers, half a tray of tomatoes, half a tray of beans, half a tray of whatever. So what had happened was we had a lot of squash coming on at once, but some of it wasn't ready. So as you see here, we got some on the 26th of July, and then here's some from August, and then those are probably after or before they were not dated. So what you can do is you can go ahead and get your produce, process it the way you want to have it stored for your long-term fruit storage, throw it inside freezer bags and stick it in the freezer. So when you get enough of it, like we got 4-gallon size bags here, this is ready to freeze dry. So what you do, you turn your freeze dryer on, you let it get down to, you put your pre-frozen selection, so you're like, okay, the food's frozen, ready to go, and you stick it in. So that's what I'm going to do here. It's just a way you can preserve your, you know, get it all in one batch instead of mixing stuff. You don't have to do it this way. It's just, we had a lot of produce and had stuff going on, so what we're doing. So I'm going to get this out as much as possible. It's probably not going to go on the 2 trays because I have something else that's going to go in with this. So we might make it 2 batches. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. 2 batches. Oh well, it's okay. Because I've already got something on the other side. The other 2 batches. Oh, drop one. So we'll just save the other one for later. So we have chunk squash and it looks like sliced. So we'll go ahead and get this in the freeze dryer and I will bring you back when it's done. Alright everybody, the yellow squash is done. So again, like I said, what we did is harvested some from the garden. Some of it wasn't ready, some of it was ready, so you have a bunch of it, like different time frames coming out. So all we did was cube it, sliced it, got it in different ways that we like to eat it and use it. So just get it in a freezer bag, stick it in the freezer. When you get an abundance of it, then you can freeze dry it all at once instead of doing, you know, a half a tray of squash, half a tray of tomatoes, partial cucumbers, blah blah, whatever it is that you want to freeze dry. We're doing it all at once so we can get it all bagged up, and when it goes into food storage, it's not like scattered all over the place, it's in one location. So we just cubed one, sliced the other, and really all we have to do is rehydrate it, and then we can like fry it in a skillet or add it to a soup or to pasta or whatever it is that you have, or however you like to eat it. So there we go. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. So have a good one guys. Thanks for watching.